Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners on Bob Iacino, checking in on Tesla. Gap up today, did not fully fill the gap. The gap's just below this 1556 key level. Coming up, we had 1639.60, just poking through there and then pausing. So let's check the next levels. We're going to raise that up. I'm just going to drop with this gap just to see. All right, this is interesting. 1 hour key support about 1607. If we start getting below 1607, especially on a 1 hour close, going to be watching for that gap fill back to the bottom of the rotation zone, this 1556 level, and that gap. So those are the key things we'll be watching on the 1 hour chart. 4 hour chart. It's going to start converging. If it did drop through that 1556, next support area is about 1535, but 1556 is more important to me right now. To the upside, we expand this a bit. 1686.73, so 1687 roughly, corresponding just around with that high, and then we're looking at about 1722.30 to the upside. If we did get above that, let's see what we're looking at. We still have that major swing high, 1792.02. Rotation zone just starting to separate. So major support area on the daily for a bigger pullback is 1491 to 1500. I just watch 1500 because so many people focus on those round numbers. That's what we have for you on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.